Updating your billing address on the Microsoft Store is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Microsoft Store website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account. Once signed in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or your account in the menu. Step 3. Go to Payment and Billing. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit billing address. Locate the billing address section within the payment and billing page. Click on Edit or Change next to your current billing address to update it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on the Microsoft Store. Make sure to check your information regularly to keep it accurate.